Hello guys, and welcome back to the Wolf Trading channel. My name is Tony, and today what we're going to be talking about is market orders and limit orders. But before we get into the video, if you haven't already, please do subscribe and like this video, and also let us know in the comments what type of videos you want us to make next, as we will be dropping weekly content for you guys. But without further ado guys, let's just jump straight into this video. So what are market orders and limit orders? So a market order is an order to quickly buy or sell at the best available current price, whilst a limit order is an order placed to either buy below the market or sell above the market at a certain price. So as you can see with market orders, you simply just want to get into the markets right there and then. You're not waiting on the market to reach a specific price level. Whilst with a limit order, you're sort of waiting for price to reach a specific price level before you actually enter a trade. So there's four types of limit orders. The first one is a buy limit, the second one is a sell limit, the third one is a buy stop, and the fourth one is a sell stop. So what is a buy limit? So a buy limit is an order to buy security at or below a specified price. For a buy limit order, this means placing the order at or below the current market bid. To enter a buy limit, the current price should be above the desired level. So right now what I'm going to do is let's just jump into the markets so that I can give you a practical example of how and when you'd look to place in a buy limit order. So let's just take a look at GBP JPY. This is a perfect example. So right now what I'm going to do is let's just switch into a 1 hour time frame. Okay, so in this situation right now, as you can see, the current price level is up here. So what you want to do is when you're looking for a buy limit order, basically you want to be looking for entry prices that are below the current market price, below it. So over here, this is a perfect place for me. I would look for a buy limit order. I'd want to place it around this area, as you know, because we're at a support zone, and this is where I always look for buying opportunities. So I'll just put my profit target up here. And so what this will do is this will just let your broker know that, okay, once the market reaches this price level, then that's when your buy limit order is going to be triggered. So right now, let's let the market play out and see how it goes. So as you can see, we have just been triggered. Price did reach our level, our price level for the buy limit. So right now this trade means that it's activated and it is running. So let's let it play out and see how it goes. Okay, so as you can see, we just hit our profit target. So this was a perfectly executed buy limit setup. This is how you'd want to execute yours when you're in the live markets. So now let's get back into the PowerPoint. A sell limit is an order to sell a security at or above a specified price. To ensure an improved price, the order must be placed at or above the current market ask. To enter a sell limit, current price should be below the desired level. So to give you guys a clear image of how it should look, let's just jump back to the markets so I can show you. Let's just take a look at an example from Euro JPY. As you can see, we are in this sort of arranging area. I see many touches at this resistance and I see many touches at this support that are respected, as you see there. So let's just jump into a 4 hour time frame. Right, so if you're looking for a sell limit order, it's pretty much the opposite of a buy limit order. Well, in this case, instead of looking for entry prices that are below current price, you want to be looking for entry points that are above the current market price. So as you can see, current market price is here. So for a sell limit order, you want to be looking for market prices to enter that are above it. So for example, for me, because this is a resistance zone, I see many touches of a strong resistance here. What I'm gonna do is, for me, I would place my sell limit order around this area over here. I'll put my stop loss above, and I'll put my target just below there. So what this will do is let your broker know that once price reaches this specific level, that is when your sell limit order will be triggered. So let's let the market play out and see how it goes. Okay, so we've just been triggered into the trade. Now let's let it play out. Okay, so as you can see, it was a successful sell limit order. Price did end up hitting our take profit. So this is exactly how you'd want to execute a sell limit order if you're trading in the live markets. So let's go back to the PowerPoint. Now, what is a buy stop? So a buy stop is in order to buy a security at a price above the market bid. A buy stop becomes active only after a specified price level has been reached. So for you guys to understand it more clearly, let's just jump back to the charts so I can show you guys how you'd execute a buy stop. Now let's just take a good look at this example here on GBP USD. As you can see, we are in some sort of a ranging trend. We're we're buying low and we're selling high. As you can see, this is a strong support and this is a strong resistance. But anyways, so unlike buy limit orders where you look for buying opportunities under current market price, with buy stop orders you simply just want to be looking for buying opportunities over current market price. So in this situation, let's take for example, you wanted to look for a buy stop order in this area over here. You'd want to look for it, you'd want to place it above the current market price. So let's just say you say, okay, I want to enter here, I want this to be my area where my buy stop will be triggered. That's where you place it. So this will notify your brokers, and so once the market moves and reaches that price level, that is when your buy stop order is going to be triggered. So let's just play this and see. Okay, so as you can see already, it's been activated. So once it's triggered here, now your buy stop is in motion. So as you can see, just hit your target. So that is how you'd want to execute a buy stop order. You want to be placing your entry points above current market price. So now let's jump back to the PowerPoint. Okay, so now what is a sell stop? So a sell stop is in order to sell a security at a price below the current market price. Like the buy stop, a sell stop becomes active only after a specified price level has been reached. So now let's just jump back to the chart so that I can give you an example. Now let's just take a look at GBP JPY as an example. As you can see, we're at the resistance. This is where we look for selling opportunities. Now for sell stops, basically what you want to do is you want to make sure that your entry price level is below the current market price. So for example, for me, I'd say, okay, let me enter my sell stop at this level here. Once that's done, I'm gonna wait for the market to reach that level, and once the market reaches that level, then my sell stop order is triggered. So let's play the price, and as you can see, we were just triggered in. So I'll hold this trade and let's see if we'll hit the target. Okay, so as you can see, it just hit our target, and that is how you'd want to execute a sell stop order, guys. So now let's go back to the PowerPoint. The last two are stop loss and take profit orders. So a stop loss order, this is a limit order in which a trade is closed when a specified price is reached. And take profit orders, this is a limit order which is often used to set targets for and protect your profits on positions. So as stop loss orders, it just helps you to prevent blowing your account. It helps minimize your losses on a specific trade that you might have taken that just didn't work out. And with take profit orders, it just helps secure those profits, so that way you walk away with your profits and the market won't be able to take them back. So guys, thank you so much. That marks the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please do leave a like and comment down below as well. We thank you so much for the support, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.